Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to make concave bevel profile and apply it on this edge. When beveling an edge you can choose to add more detail but also to have it be concave instead of convex. Just first we need to bring the shortcut to create a bevel to this edge. Control B and drag your mouse cursor like this. Click on left mouse button to confirm. It's gonna be showing up this pop-up menu. So just scroll the mouse wheel to add more edges. Let's go back, Control B. Scroll the mouse wheel in order to add more edges. For more control, use the plus key or the minus key on the numpad. So you can press also P key for profile to change the profile from convex to concave. So I want just to try it over the slider, dragging it like it's gonna be making it concave and convex as shown in our example, and you can control it however you want. Blender remembers the last setting you used for your bevel and will automatically apply if the next time you bevel an edge. So when beveling, Blender also shows a bevel menu in the viewport. You can expand it like this and you can do whatever you want: hard and normals, clamp, overlap, loop slide, or seams if you want to mark seams, if you want to sharpen, and changing the shape of the bevel and the distribution of some vertices and make it concave or convex or whatever you want to do. And that's it for beveling, and especially how to make concave and convex applied on your shape. Thanks for watching.